How to delete column and row in Google Docs table. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can delete the row or column in Google Docs table. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here in my Google Docs application, so I just take the blank page to show you proper. Okay, so here I don't have any tables, column or row. Okay, so I need to insert one table here, so I just insert one row or okay, I just insert this. Okay, so if I want to delete this row, I have to select like this. Just click on first row, select it, hold it, and you can select like this, hold it and select like this. Now just right click on it, and here you can see the option called you can delete the row. The row has been deleted. If you want to delete the column, just select the column, same, just hit click on first row, then click and hold it, and now select the whole column. Now right click on it. Now you can see the option called delete column. Same as you can also delete the all table. Just right click on it and go to the delete table. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.